Hello friends, so in today's video we are going to find out how we can use the Hlookup function. So Hlookup stands for horizontal lookup. As most of you might have seen my last video which was about vertical lookup, so is similar like that one, but the thing is in Hlookup we deal with a horizontal data, as you can see over here. So this data is horizontal, and for that reason it's called horizontal lookup. But how can we derive an answer from it? We're going to find that out. So first we'll look how we can solve HLOOKUP manually and then dynamically. So for that reason we'll just make a list of student IDs from the table. For that, most of you might know the data validation. So for that, the shortcut key is Alt A V V. We'll select list, and for the source over here, as you can see, I'll zoom it. This is the student ID, so I'll select this and then Control Shift right arrow. So it will automatically take me to the end of the data, and now I can press OK. I'll minimize the screen. See, we are ready with a list. So as per this list, we will use the hLookup function. Now, hLookup, what is it about? So hLookup provides you the data from the column as per the row number you specify. So hLookup, the lookup value is student ID. Now the table array is this entire table. So I will Control Shift down and Control Shift right to select the entire table. Now the row that we need is second row, but you might say that student name is on the fourth row, so why do we need the second row? It is because the table has its own rows, and as per the table, student name appears on the second row. For that reason we will press 2, and then as we need the exact match, we will select false. One more way of selecting the exact match is by pressing 0. Even if you press 0, it will give you an exact match. Now I will close the parenthesis and we can see 1008 James Carter. So that's the student name. Now we can simply drag this function, but it won't provide us any answer. Why? As if any one of you might have seen my last video on vlookup, we have to fix certain values so that when I drag the function either vertically or horizontally, it shouldn't change. So I'm going to fix the lookup value, because whatever things that we are working on is based on this lookup value only. So for that reason I'll lock it by pressing F4. Similarly, the table array, I'll lock it, and now I can drag it, but now it provides me the same answer. You know why? Because we have to change the row number. So the gender is in the third row. For that reason we'll press 3. See, James Carter is a male, and his grade is, we'll just copy over here, and then I'll type 4, and that's how we get the answer. But it might be time consuming, and most of the time we need a work to be accurate, right? For that reason we will see how we can use the same function dynamically. So first, the same criterias will be copied below. Now the list is copied below, so we don't need to create one more list. Now how to use it dynamically? We'll just start with the lookup value, and as we know we are going to drag it, so I'll fix it beforehand. Then the table array, same, control shift down, control shift right, and then press F4 to lock it. And now in this we have to make some changes. As I told you its definition, that HLOOKUP provides you the column data as per the row number you specify. So over here we will type column, and in this column it will show you where your student name is. It will show you where your student name is. So I will just select this column and press F9. See, it's showing me that your student name criteria is in the third column. As you can see here, A, B, C, and yeah, the student name is in the third column. Now to undo it, we can press Ctrl Z, and as it is in the so as it is in the third column, we need the data from the second row, right? Because the student name is in the second row. So we have to make a user logic so that over here the answer appears is 2. So it's a simple logic. If we deduct 1 from 3, we will get 2. So we'll just deduct 1. And now if you want to check the answer, you can just press F9 by selecting it, and then to unselect it, press Ctrl Z. Now the range lookup, you can either select false, or as I told you, you can press 0. It will also provide you the exact match. And after that, I'll close the parenthesis and press enter. See, 1013. Is it Emily Johnson? Emily Anderson? Yes, it is. Now if I drag it, see, wow, great, right? Same answer. That's how you can use it dynamically. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then please subscribe the video, give it a like because it really motivates me, and comment below if you want me to make certain changes. That's all in this video. I'll meet you in the next one. Thank you.